It's been a while since I've posted. As you know, if you follow me on Instagram, I've been quite busy. My schedule has been on the go. Go. It actually started off in March when I went to Miami for a music festival. And then shortly after that, I went to Paris with my family. I took my parents there for the first time. If you want to see that vlog, it's actually up on YouTube right now. Since then, I've kind of been going back and forth a lot from the Bay Area to Orange County, and there's just been lots of little events. Went to Vegas, and so it's just been kind of hectic, my schedule. I'm a very routine person, so when I'm not in my routine for a while, I actually get kind of anxious and like nervous. And so I don't think I've ever taken super long trips before. So things are slowly starting to slow down and like chill. And so I'm really excited today to kind of get back into routine of things, get my life together because I feel like it's been kind of chaotic, and just kind of have a productive day. I got a really early start this morning. I usually try to wake up pretty early because I'm just naturally like an early bird, and so I woke up, and what I like to usually do is I like to start off my morning with a workout just to kind of get it over with. So I went to the gym this morning and I did HIIT cardio on the treadmill. It was tiring, but it felt really good after because I love getting a really good sweat. There's been a lot of big changes in my life. If you've noticed, I haven't really posted that much about my job recently, and it's because I think I went through a couple months where I wasn't really completely feeling it. The past couple videos ago, I announced that I was a UX design manager. I did that for a couple months, and I actually tried it out just to see if I liked it. And I realized that it actually wasn't something that I was super excited about. Being a manager and being a designer, they're completely different skill sets. And so that's something that you kind of need to learn and figure out if you like. And so I asked my boss if I could actually go back and reroute my path to a different direction. But doing that did make me feel like I failed a little bit because I was a little bit embarrassed I couldn't continue my path as a manager. I don't think it's just the right time for me right now, and like the lifestyle that I have, I just feel like I'm happier doing this design route. And so I'm really happy that I did this for myself. But yeah, that's kind of a little reason why it was hard for me to post, because I just felt like I wasn't super happy and it was hard for me to like make videos. It just felt not really authentic to me. But anyways, today is going to be a lot for me because I have to do a lot of like errands, just like little things. I need to get to work soon, do laundry and clean up the house. So you're going to come along with me and see all the day-to-day things that I do, and it's going to feel really productive. I'm really excited to do it. They're really mundane, but sometimes it just makes you feel good as a person. This is what I've got. Alright, so I'm eating lunch right now. I love to sit down on my couch. I've been obsessed with Caesar salads lately. It tastes so good, and so I get the one from Safeway all the time. And I just feel like since I've been traveling so much, I've been eating like really bad. And so it's always nice to be able to eat something healthy and kind of clean when I come back. So I put rotisserie chicken, kind of grilled it a little bit, and I got my Caesar salad pack, and now I'm gonna enjoy it. All right, I finally finished work for today. I feel really proud of myself because I think that I covered a lot. I got a lot of work done and it went by really, really fast. So for the rest of the day, I just need to finish unpacking my clothes. There's a lot of things that I was traveling with, and so doing that, laundering, maybe tidying up the house a little bit are the main things I really want to get done before the day is over. And if I could finish that, then I'll reward myself and go to dinner with Kevin. So I'm going to get started on that because there's only so much time left in the day and I want to make sure that I can go before the sun, goes down. I tied up a little bit after work and then I got ready for a nice date night with Kev. We stopped by the mall first because I noticed I actually do not have a lot of casual clothes to wear for work, so I went into Zara to find some basic tees that were not summer crop tops. Funny how much my wardrobe changed working from home most of the week or traveling. All right, we just parked and it's date night. We're going to a new restaurant that just opened up in the Bay Area. It's in Santana Row and it's Peruvian food. I'm excited to try something new. We're going to probably have some paella and Kevin's gonna have so much fun.
Yeah, much fun.
All right, let's go. All right, we just finished dinner. We were so full. We had a lot of good Peruvian food and we got like 4 or 5 different dishes. Kevin is pretending to drive. What are you doing? Anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you liked my productive day following along with me. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.